Hi everyone, this is Amir. In this video, I want to show you how you can cite your papers, your books, etc. in your Zotero library into your LaTeX file. Okay, let's start. First, you may say, okay, I can easily do that by selecting a paper, then copy the title, then search for that in the Google Scholar, and then click this button and use BibTex, and then copy the Google result and paste it in the bib file and copy the key that Google generated and use it here like this. Cite, and then close the braces, and when you run it you can have your reference. Okay, this works, but as you may have a lot of references or papers, then it will be a little time consuming going to Google Scholar, copying the title, coming here, paste it in the bib file. But there is another easier way with Zotero. Okay, for that you need to install a plugin called Better BibTex for Zotero. You can search this in the Google. You probably find this website, or you may find their GitHub webpage, Zotero Better BibTex. You can download the last version, come here and download the XPI file. After you download it, you can come to the Zotero and go to the tools, add-ons, then from here go and click this gear button, install add-on from file, and choose your XPI file just downloaded. After that, you have installed the Zotero Better BibTex. You must, of course, reset your Zotero software. Then go to Tools, Edit, Preferences, and in the Export, come here in the quick copy, in the default format, choose the Better BibTex quick copy, /cite citation key. It says that if you just simply press Ctrl+Shift+A, you have the cite for that file. And you don't need anything else from here. Just go to your, click your library, then right click here and choose Export Library. From this menu, select Better Bib LaTeX. Check this checkbox, Keep Update. In case if you add some new papers to your library, it will automatically update the file. Click OK and save it in your LaTeX folder. For example, I call it my library.bib. Click the save button and it will generate for all of your documents. It will generate a bib item in your bib file. I go to my LaTeX folder, and as you can see, this is my library.bib, and it has all the bib item in your Zotero file, and there is a rule for that. Of course, you can change it by go to Edit, Preferences, Oh no, Zotero. Yeah, edit, preferences, and in the better BibTex, you can change the rule for the key. But by default, the key is the name of the author, abbreviation or short version of the title, and the year of that. So, after that, you can easily come here and change your bibliography bibliography file name to the file name you give to the Zotero. For example, I give that my library, but I don't want to change that right now. And here in your text file, you can easily cite your document. For example, you can, I know, for example, my author name, first name was Latex, then it will very fastly copy, it will suggest the cite key for that article, and you can then press enter. So there is no need to go to Google Scholar and copy those bib files. Easily you can do this. Or if it is hard for you, or you cannot remember the last name of your author, you can go to Zotero and search for your paper. Then, for example, this is my favorite paper that I want to cite. Then, as I showed you in the edit preferences, export, Control Shift A can give you this cite very quick. So I pressed Control Shift C while my paper is selected. Then I go to the, for example, my text file. Here I paste it, and you can see I have the citation for that paper. Really easy, isn't it? Then you can write your paper. This is finished, but you may say that, okay, I want to send my file to my professor, or I want to give it to the journal, so I want my bib file to be clean, not all of these bib items. I want to just show the items that I used in my text file. To do that, you need to install a software called JabRef. You can search for JabRef in the Google, and it is an open source software, and you can download it. Then open the JabRef. You can open your long version, your bib file which has all of your papers and documents. Open that, and it will just show it again here for you. Then go to Tools, New Sublibrary based on AUX file. So you want to make a sublibrary with AUX file. Click on that. Choose the AUX file of your, for example, your report or your paper that you're writing that. For example, this is my report, and this is the root text file. I generated separated text file to be more fast and clean files. So this is my root text, and as you can see, I have root.aux. So I choose root.aux in JabRef, click open, then click parse. It will say, okay, for example, you have 200 and 3 item in your bib, in your blank bib, and you just use 9 of them. You just cite 9 of them. And then you can say, okay, generate new bib item, and this is, for example, your new bib item. You can simply save this by pressing Ctrl S button and name it, for example, JabRef bib. Save it. Then if I go here and open the JabRef, I can see the shorter version of my bib file. Then go to your text file, of course, and in the reference part, change the name to the, for example, JabRef bib. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoy and use these techniques. Have a good time and bye for now.